Welcome back, Mac and PC Prime Video. In this video, I'm going to show you, have you ever recorded audio only to find it ruined by background noise, like fan sounds, traffic, or static? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to remove background noise and make your audio sound clear and professional. Today we'll show you 4 AI-free tools that can clean up audio, remove background noise, and make it sound studio quality in no time. Let's dive in. First up is Clean Voice AI, which specializes in cleaning up podcasts and voice recordings.
Recording a podcast next to the highway in the rain, not easy. But with Clean Voice, all that background noise is gone, and you can hear my voice clearly. Engage your audience with crystal clear audio. Try Clean Voice now.
It's an AI-powered tool that removes filler words, stutters, and background noise automatically. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. The free trial lets you process a limited number of minutes, so it's created for occasional use. Second, Adobe Podcast Enhance tool is a lifesaver for content creators.
The window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
This free online tool removes noise, balances audio levels, and enhances vocal clarity with a single click. Just upload your file, and the AI does the rest. It's ideal for podcasters and video creators who want polished audio without hassle. Third, for those who work with voiceovers or character voices, Voice.ai tools can enhance your audio while adding fun customization. Options are great for creators who need high-quality voice effects or background noise removal. The free plan provides basic features with some cool AI capabilities. Last but not least, we have AudioEnhancer.ai. This tool focuses on improving audio clarity and removing distortions. It's especially useful for fixing older or low-quality recordings. Just upload your file, and the AI works its magic if you want me to create a detailed tutorial. About any of these tools, let me know in the comments. And there you have it, 4 incredible AI tools that can take your audio from amateur to amazing, without costing a dime, whether you are a podcaster, YouTuber, or just someone who wants better audio. On these tools you have covered, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tools to level up your content creation. Thanks for watching.